Tula. Hey, TL49 nigga Sula. With my 49 bars nigga Tula. Ngwali na kuzibame vele ngasendiyo Tula. Hey, Rider. Mama ndamthembisa bandizawukhula qala ngihlale phansi nami ngiqonde ndizofunda make what you really thought this nigga wants some sula thatha ipen nephepha xa senibhala ndiyasula make what you really thought is living like maneuver umama xa sendibona nigga lamu nigga khula ngase ndikhale nyane xa sendodwa nigga thula make what you really thought these niggas wanna thula dala bendifanisa I know uyandifuna abandisekazi yabe busy chasing mula ayinoba ndim kondizithandela nje ucula khona ngqina lam ayinoba uyandiconfusa mama ikhala nyani ndendaqomba ndikuhlupha ndakhula ndendazithandela ula thandazela umdalini endabona akusafani ntwana zikhala nyane cause ntwana zifuna inkani begging with some bitch yansambona akusafani vele nabeqonda asayiqula nikafani vele acosha ifoni ndenambona akusakhali taking with some bitch vele akubona nikafali vele akakhathali nomuntu omdala akusansamboni mntwana bushironi ananhloni umntana ensoli arizinika kushani bandiyambona nansoli vele besikhula sonke bhati yena uphethe ikoni Sula Ngandithanda ngani bendiqonda ndizawuthula Nani banaqonda ndizawufunda Fake what you really I'm a student nigga Tula And Sula Yazo life umnani badi ntwana zithanda uswela Fake what you really thought this nigga uzophela Utuma myakala bani vele ndiyabokela Wow la because if I am there, Rally nigga fire what you raise alright. Tears what in night and now hello my God. La because he is down a land to cooler. Really thought this niggas running niggas sola. Tala been funny side, no wow and full.